It's a pleasure to have you here. Former Minister of Education, Ezekwesili, has come to the defense of Pastor Adeboye amid growing criticism directed at the respected cleric, insisting that Nigerians are focusing their frustration on the wrong person, while the country's real challenges continue to worsen. Ezekwesili made her position known in a detailed statement shared on her social media platform, where she addressed the increasing public debate surrounding the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. Her intervention comes at a time when conversations about the role of religious leaders in national affairs have intensified, with many Nigerians expressing disappointment over the state of the nation and demanding stronger voices from influential figures. The former minister acknowledged that many citizens are deeply frustrated by the current condition of the country. According to her, years of insecurity, economic hardship, corruption, unemployment, and unfulfilled political promises have left millions of Nigerians exhausted and angry. She noted that this frustration has gradually evolved into widespread distrust of public institutions, political leaders, and influential individuals whom citizens believe possesses the moral authority to challenge those in power. As economic pressures continue to mount and insecurity remains a major concern across different regions of the country, many Nigerians are increasingly looking for voices they can trust to speak on their behalf. Ezekwesili argued that while public anger is understandable, directing that anger towards Pastor Adeboye misses the real issue. According to her, the country is facing serious governance challenges that require attention and accountability. She maintained that the focus should remain on addressing the root causes of the nation's problem rather than attacking individuals who are not directly responsible for the decisions and policies affecting citizens. In her view, Nigeria's challenges cannot be solved by targeting religious leaders who have spent decades promoting peace, prayer, and national unity. The former minister described Pastor Adeboye as a humble servant of God who has dedicated his life to advancing values that contribute positively to society. She said the cleric has consistently encouraged peace, reconciliation, moral discipline, and national development through his teachings and public engagement. According to her, Adeboye's contributions to Nigerian extend far beyond religious activities, as his influence has touched millions of lives both within and outside the country. She argued that reducing his legacy to current political controversies ignores the broader impact he has had on society over several decades. Ezekwesili also reflected on the personal lessons she has learned from the respected cleric. She noted that Pastor Adeboye has often chosen silence and restraint when confronted with criticism or attacks. According to her, this approach is rooted in spiritual wisdom and a commitment to responding with dignity rather than engaging in unnecessary public confrontations. She suggested that many public figures could learn from such an attitude, particularly in an era where social media debates and public controversies often encourage emotional and divisive reactions. While defending Adeboye, Ezekwesili did not dismiss the concerns being raised by many Nigerians. She acknowledged that citizens have legitimate reasons to be dissatisfied with the state of the nation. She pointed out that decades of governance failures have created a deep sense of disappointment among the population, rising living costs, insecurity, unemployment, poor infrastructure, and declining public confidence in institutions have combined to create an atmosphere of frustration. According to her, these realities have driven many citizens to demand stronger intervention from influential figures, including religious leaders, One of the key points raised by Ezekwesili was the expectation many Nigerians place on religious leaders. She noted that citizens often look to respected clerics as moral voices capable of speaking truth to power and advocating for accountability. According to her, this expectation is understandable given the level of trust many Nigerians place in religious institutions. Yet, she insisted that Pastor Adeboye has consistently prayed for the nation and spoken on issues affecting national development. She argued that portraying him as indifferent to the country's challenges does not accurately reflect his record on public statements over the years. The former minister warned that Nigeria has developed a habit of becoming distracted by secondary issues, while more urgent national problems remain unresolved. She suggested that public debate sometimes focus excessively on personalities rather than policies, allowing critical governance questions to receive less attention than they deserve. According to her, the country must develop a culture of concentrating on solutions rather than searching for convenient targets on whom to place blame. She stressed that meaningful progress requires sustained attention on the institutions and individuals directly responsible for governance and public policy. Ezekwesili's comments have generated widespread reactions across political, religious, and civil society circles. Supporters of her position argue that national conversations should focus on addressing insecurity, economic hardship, and governance failures rather than attacking religious leaders. Others maintain that influential figures, including clerics, should continue to play active roles in encouraging accountability and good governance. The debate reflects a broader discussion about the responsibility of religious leaders in societies facing significant social and political challenges. Political analysts note that the controversy surrounding Pastor Adeboye highlights the growing frustration among many Nigerians as economic pressures increase and insecurity continues to affect communities across the country. Citizens are demanding stronger leadership and greater accountability from all sectors of society. In such an environment, influential figures often find themselves drawn into public debates, whether directly or indirectly. The challenge, observers say, lies in ensuring that public frustration is directed towards solving problems rather than deepening the divisions. As discussions continue, Ezekwesili's intervention serves as a reminder of the importance of maintaining focus on the issues at the heart of Nigerian struggles. While acknowledging the anger and disappointment felt by many citizens, she urged Nigerians not to lose sight of the larger challenges confronting the country. According to her, the path to national progress lies in demanding accountability from those responsible for governance, while preserving unity and respect among citizens. Her message reinforces the argument that addressing Nigeria's problems requires collective efforts, constructive engagement, and a commitment to focusing on what truly matters. That's all for now on News Express. And if you find this insightful, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Chidera Esom. Thank you for watching. Do have a beautiful day.